Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing resistance. Equip thunderproof armor or similar to reduce lightning damage. Make and carry shockproof meals or elixirs so you can consume one when the storm starts. Once done, store any metal weapons in your inventory and switch to non-metal tools. This prevents attracting strikes. Make sure to approach high ground cautiously and scout nearby cover. These initial steps set you up to survive the first lightning events and keep you mobile for the next. Now focus on movement and positioning. Move between cover points like rocks or trees to block direct strikes. You should avoid open fields and stay below overhangs when thunder grows loud. This lowers the chance of being targeted. Once you've reached safe zones, switch to wooden or non-metal weapons for engagements and use a bow from distance when needed. Also, watch the thunder. Rapid, loud claps often mean higher strike probability, so make your movements deliberate and measured. Finish by reassessing gear and health. After a storm, if you were struck, eat shockproof food immediately and then use a ferry or bed to restore HP and remove status. Once safe, re-equip metal weapons and repair anything broken. If lightning keeps targeting you, fast travel to a stable region or enter an indoor structure to reset weather effects. Troubleshooting tip. If strikes persist despite precautions, unequip all metal, wait under cover until thunder fades. Then fast travel. This reliably stops repeat targeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.